We will now talk about the concept of present value. Let's say that 1 year from today, you will receive a cash flow of 110. The question is, what is the value of that 110 today? To solve this, you need an interest rate. Let's say the interest rate is 10%. The present value at time 0, which is now, then becomes 110 divided by 1 plus the interest rate, which is 0.1. You solve this and you will get 100. What this means is that 110 1 year from today has a present value of 100. In other words, you would be indifferent between 100 today and 110 1 year from today. The formula, as you have seen over here, is fairly straightforward. The present value at time 0 is equal to the future value at time 1, which was 110, divided by 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of 1. What if you were to receive money at the end of 2 years? So if you are to receive 121 at the end of 2 years, then what is the present value? Then instead of writing FV1, we would write future value at the end of year 2 divided by 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of 2. So if we are to write this in general form, then this is what we would have. And I'll just write this in a simpler form. The present value is equal to the future value at time n divided by 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of n. Notice also the relationship between this formula and what you have seen earlier. The earlier formula, where we were talking about future value, was the following. The future value at time n was equal to the present value at time 0 into 1 plus r to the power of n. And you can simply algebraically rewrite this as present value at time 0 is equal to future value at time n divided by 1 plus r to the power of n. So that then is the formula, and the concept, as I said before, is simply that we need to determine the present value of a certain cash flow that you will receive in the future, and we then use the